Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/3 by 1/5. Let's break it down into simple steps to make it easy to understand. Firstly, let's look at our fractions. We have 1/3, where 1 is the numerator, meaning the top number of the fraction, and 3 is the denominator, or the bottom number. This fraction represents one part out of 3 equal parts. Now, take a look at the second fraction, 1/5. Here, 1 is again the numerator, and 5 is the denominator. This fraction represents one part out of 5 equal parts. To multiply these two fractions, we multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together. So, multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. For the denominators, 3 times 5 gives us 15. Therefore, 1/3 multiplied by 1/5 equals 1/15. And there you have your final answer. It's as simple as that. Remember, 1/15 is already in its simplest form. You've now learned how to multiply two fractions together. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more math help. Thanks for watching.